you have an entitlement that says Network On-Premise, then you need to install the Sentinel Rights Management System on a server. Don't know how? This is the video for you to get going on Linux. To get your environment working, you download the RMS installation package, install the RMS with the option to configure the license later, generate the login code, activate the license, and configure the license file and assignment settings. You can download the Sentinel RMS from the Rocket Customer Portal. Log in to the Rocket Customer Portal at my.rocketsoftware.com. Click on Downloads and select Uniface under Select a Product. Click on the blue link to the left of Uniface Sentinel RMS. Download the correct tar for your platform. See the README to see which is applicable. Upload the tar file to the machine you wish to install the RMS on. To install the RMS on Linux, you need root privileges. Log in as root. Extract the package using tar. Start the install script. Read and press Y to accept the license agreement. Now enter the path where you want to install the RMS License Manager. Choose Install RMS and I will configure the license later when prompted for the type of license. The installer now proceeds to copy and generate files into the installation directory and create service scripts. If prompted, press Y to open port 5093. Now it's time to activate the license. You generate a login code to activate the license, and the first step is to obtain the login criteria. Log in to the Sentinel EMS with the entitlement ID from your Network On-Premise license. Click on your entitlement and click Activate. This opens a form to generate the license file with the login code. Make note of the login criteria. First, you calculate the hexadecimal value for these login criteria. Log in as root on your RMS server. Navigate to the Tools folder of the installed RMS. Now edit echoid.dat and add the hexadecimal values for each of the login criteria. Change the hexadecimal code on the last line to the hexadecimal you just calculated. Save the file and exit your editor. Now run echoid. This gives you the login code that you can copy starting from the asterisk. With this login code, you can activate and download the license. In the EMS portal, paste the login code into primary1 info. Click Activate to create the license file. Download the license file and upload it to a location on your RMS server. On the RMS server, you can navigate to the Tools folder of the installed RMS. Now run lslick to add your license file. Replace the file name with the location of your license. Ensure that you use a capital F for persistent storage of the license file. Using lowercase f, the license file will be removed if your server is restarted. Your Uniface servers and clients can now connect to this RMS. Add this assignment setting to the assignment file of your Uniface servers or clients, replacing the hostname or IP address of your RMS server.